Bentley Motors is set to bid farewell to its legendary W12 engine with the release of the Batur Convertible this summer, marking the end of an era for the prestigious automaker. In place of the 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged 12-cylinder giant, Bentley is transitioning to a more sustainable future with its newly announced ultra-performance hybrid powertrain, which marries a V8 gasoline engine with an electric motor. The new hybrid system promises to surpass the 740 horsepower output of the Batur, offering a significant boost in performance with a combined force that exceeds the power levels of both the Flying Spur Speed and Continental GT Speed models. This innovative hybrid setup is not only designed to be Bentley's most dynamic and responsive powertrain, but also its most efficient, featuring a battery pack that delivers up to 50 miles of electric range based on the WLTP cycle. With over 105,000 units produced in the past 2 decades, the W12 engine has become a symbol of Bentley's engineering excellence. The upcoming hybrid V8 represents Bentley's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint, anticipating greater efficiency and a broader appeal with its new lineup of daily supercars. Bentley's ambitious transition to an all-electric future is now set for 2033, with the first EV model expected to debut in 2027.